Hey guys, Danny here with Danny Murphy & Associates at First Team Real Estate. I'm here with Justin DeCaro of JD Construction. We're going to talk about what that means here in a little bit. But we're here at one of our listings in the Four Seasons tract here in Fountain Valley. This is a coming soon property, killer 2-story, 7,300 square foot lot, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2,200 plus square foot house that is getting a full makeover. So that our sellers can make more money when they sell the property. So I wanted to give Justin the opportunity to talk a little bit about JD Construction.
So we created a construction team called JD Construction, basically your one-stop service provider and real estate helper. We take all these properties and we have been remodeling them from head to toe. So floors, countertops, cabinets, scrape ceilings, paint, you name it, coordinating everything, all the repairs from the bidding process, to maintaining the clients throughout the entire thing. So we also put together this flyer that just kind of shows, the description of the project, how long it took, and basically how much in value it increased the property. Most of the time it's double.
Yeah, and a couple things on that. So JD Construction, Justin DeCaro, he's licensed, bonded, insured general contractor and a real estate agent. The great thing about us is we can go into our clients, we can assess their property. A lot of these properties are older, so they need some attention. And so some of them need small projects and some of them need big projects. Some of them it's 2 or 3 weeks, some of it's 8 or 10 weeks, depending on what needs to get done. But I can assure you that our crews get things done faster than anyone you can probably find to do it. Cheaper than anyone you can find to do it. We do pay Justin a management fee, or you would as our client, to manage the project, but he runs a tight shift. He makes sure things get done quickly. There's never a down day practically on our projects. And the great thing about it is it adds a ton of value for our clients when we go to sell. So if they spend $50,000 or $80,000 or $100,000, they're usually getting at least double that in the resale value of the home. So really good return on their investment in a short period of time, helps the property sell faster, sells for more value, and typically sells in a shorter period of time just because it's a finished, beautiful product. So really kind of a unique offering, I think, like you were saying, we're your one-stop real estate services provider. And so from getting the house ready and doing that properly with a licensed contractor like Justin, to getting it sold, which we all can do as a team. Wade's behind the camera. We're all licensed, licensed real estate agents. So, it's a great service that I think our clients really value and get a lot of value out of. In a couple days, we'll be at another couple projects that we have going where you can see just different things that we're doing. So reach out to us anytime, to Justin, myself, Wade, with questions, or if you want a consultation, we're here to help. Thanks.